So you have this floor plan, and you've applied a customized view template to that floor. Now you need to create a new 3D view template, with all the category, annotation, workset, and most importantly, filter overrides. How can one do that, knowing that the types are different and duplicating the template is not applicable? Well, the good news is that you can always apply the template properties of a floor plan to a 3D view. Just go to the View ribbon tab, and select the Apply Template Properties to Current View push button. Then apply the properties, and there you go. You have the properties applied to the 3D view. To create the template, just press the Create Template from Current View push button, specify a name, and you're good to go. Imagine having to set the overrides for all those filters manually. Cheers.